Get those likes up, ladies and gentlemen. Get those likes up, ladies and gentlemen. Timer's ticking. Last chance to hit those likes. Let's get the party started.
Hello? Hello? Is this Lamborghini? Is this the Lamborghini dealership? Hey, my name's Jabba. My name's Jabba. Do you have any of the red Lambos in stock? Do you have any of the red Lambos in stock? You do? You do? I need a red one. I need a red one. I love red stuff. I love everything negative. Okay, I'll be over there shortly. I'll be over there shortly for my Lambo. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. What's going on, guys? Okay. All right, hold on.
Let's jump into the Bitcoin show.
What's going on, guys? Welcome to the stream. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Let me just fix this real quick. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. Absolutely fantastic day. Man, it's looking pretty it's looking pretty interesting for Bitcoin, but Jabba's having an absolute fantastic day. Man, I'm looking pretty excited to see what happens next. But anyways, Bitcoin with, you know, obviously if you guys missed this morning stream, then we didn't really talk, you didn't hear too much from me, but man, I woke up this morning and we had a big dump to the downside. As you guys know, you probably have been watching tons of crypto content here over the course of the day. But yeah, we had a dip all the way down to about 42,500. We've retraced it back to about 49,000. Is that good enough for us to feel confident? Let me know in the chat. Do you guys feel confident still? Are you guys a little bit worried about the market? What is your guys' thoughts? All right. This is Java's channel now. I can't even imagine what Savvy's feeling like right now. Savvy's probably like, screw you, haters. Nothing has changed though.
Nothing has changed.
But yeah, so Bitcoin dropped below both our wedge and our upward sloping trend line. Okay, so
everybody panic, we're going to zero.
Not the best sign, right? We didn't want to see that. I personally didn't expect it. I didn't expect to move down that low. I was thinking maybe we go down like 52,000-ish, but yeah, a big move to 42 was definitely unexpected. In my opinion, some people thought it was going to happen, but nevertheless, I thought it was pretty unexpected. What's up, Skillful? I have so much fun here every day. Thank you, man. We got to try to make the negative days as fun as possible, man. We got to stay positive, bro. The more you stay positive in life, the more positive things happen to you. I swear that's how it is. So we're trying to stay positive here, even though the price is looking a little iffy. Just wondering about the stock market open. Yeah.
You're the best. I have so.
But anyways, guys, let's jump on into it. So, you know, what I'm watching here for, we were able to reclaim our 200-day MA. What I'm looking to do is reclaim at the close. We got, actually, let me fix the close here real quick. Let's make this 7. Here we go. We got about 25 minutes to do something here. I don't know if it's going to happen. I would like to somehow reclaim 50,000 by the close to get back above this 200-day EMA. But it doesn't look like that's necessarily going to happen here unless we get some giant move before the close. You know, doesn't look like that's necessarily going to happen. What I'll say about the daily is right quick, guys, right quick. What I'll say about our daily chart is this. This is what I'll say about our daily chart, okay? We came all the way down, right, to about a 30 on the RSI, right? About a 30 on the RSI. We're getting pretty close to oversold. It doesn't mean we can't go a little bit lower, right? It doesn't mean we can't go a bit lower because we're not quite at that level where we're like, all right, we should probably get a bounce here at this point. We could still go a little bit lower in the daily RSI, but if you look in the past, this hasn't been a bounce area in the past for Bitcoin. Actually, once, twice, 3 times, and a couple times back here. So if anything, if there's anything positive to take away from this, our daily is getting a little bit oversold. Still could go slightly lower, but if we look at the times in the past where we did get oversold, was obviously May 19th. That marked, we went slightly lower, but marked the relative bottom, okay? We go back a little bit more in time. We had back here in March of 2020, right? That obviously led to our major rally, and you can go back and further. Even November 2019, we ended up getting like a pretty good size move there, about 40-50% move to the upside. So, let's see what happens, right? Obviously, that we didn't want to break this support line or this upwards trending support line. We did not want to do that, bro. We did not want to do that, but unfortunately, we did for now. So that's that. Bitcoin is pulling a. Come on, man. Mana already retraced the dump. Man, that's crazy. Anyways, the 4-hour time frame, right? What's going on the 4-hour? Well, we came back down and tested it this once, twice, 3 times, right? We tested this trend line 3 times on the 4-hour. Let's get rid of the 300 likes. Guys, let's smack up that like button. Smack up that like button for me. I would appreciate if you did that for me. Pretty good song, I think. But yeah, 1 test, 2 tests, 3 tests. Came back down and tested again. if we're looking at this as some type of channel, which it still could be some type of channel here, okay? I know we're kind of moving the lines like savvy. We're pulling a savvy here, okay? Because that's all we can really do right now is try to pull a savvy, okay? We're being like the bullish savvy here, where we're like, guys, we're still bullish. Nothing has changed, right? We're like the bullish savvy right now. Nothing has changed, guys.
Nothing has changed.
We're still bullish.
Nothing has changed.
But anyways, if you took a downwards trend line, this could end up being some type of channel, okay? We did get a bounce here. Let's see if we can get them juice to get up, right? It's always about the juice. Now, if we look at levels that we could retrace to, right? If we look at levels that we could retrace to, you could see that we actually got over the 236. The one that I'm looking for as the retrace for Bitcoin here is up to the 618. Why the 618? Well, it's a bunch of our previous support levels, right? All the way back here, support, 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 support here. Will we come up and flip this as resistance? Or does Bitcoin have enough juice to break to the upside, right? That's the question here. I do think just based off where it is, like it's 618, it's right, it's gonna act as resistance there. And where our kind of our 4-hour RSI is sitting, where our hourly is, where our daily is, I think it makes sense for Bitcoin to retrace back up to about 53,700 ish before we decide what we want to do next, right? Excuse me. Pop music needs to be played for Luna. We'll check out Luna in a second. We'll check out Luna in a hot second, okay? Not a cold second, a hot second. You're only screwed if you sold. That's very true, too. That is very true. Other than that, 49,200. Other than that, what else do we got? So, yeah, I think it makes sense to come back up and retrace there. The hourly, I mean, we've kind of had retraced a little bit. So if Bitcoin did want to roll over a little bit, it could. It could certainly roll over again if it wanted to. Nothing's really like screaming the hourly like, oh yeah, this is looking super bullish right now. Nothing's really screaming that to me yet. I would like to create some type of bullish divergence here. If I was to be perfectly honest, I would love for Bitcoin to like maybe come back down here and make some type of bullish divergence. Whether it's, you know, we come back and make a lower low and we have a higher low in the RSI and have some type of bullish divergence to maybe get us some little bit more juice here in the shorter term time frames would be great. I know we all just want it to pump up to the upside right now. We're sick of waiting and we don't want it to go down. I don't want it to go down, guys. I don't want it to go down, right? I don't want the Bank of Canada guy to be right.
Basically, Bitcoin is clearly a scam. Cryptocurrency is clearly an idiot with no common sense. And scientifically speaking, according to a study at the Bank of Canada, more people who are financially illiterate invest in Bitcoin.
All right, there you go. Yeah, I don't want that guy to be right. I do not want that guy to be right. Please, please, if there's any guy to be right, I'd even rather the savvy be right than the Bank of Canada guy, okay? And seriously, I don't want to see the Bank of Canada guy right. So what I think is most important here is what is coming up on the weekly, all right? Are we going to close the weekly above our 20-week EMA and our 20-week SMA? Will we do it? We were able to retrace a little bit higher today. In order to do that, we would have to close tomorrow above 51,662, right? So that is about, we're talking $2,500 to be able to close back above that level ultimately. So let's see, right? Let's see. It might be a little tough, right? I mean, it's another about 5% move to the upside. I mean, it's nothing crazy, but in one day, will we be able to do it? Man, if we can get it close above this, I'd be feeling a lot more confident here than where we currently are at the moment, at least for the short term. If we close below it, I mean, who knows, man? Bitcoin does whatever it wants to do. Tom said you panic sold all your BT. I panic sold all my coins at a loss when Bitcoin dropped to 42K, and now I feel sick. Tom, that's why you don't panic sell, man. That's why I've done it before too. I don't mean to laugh. I'm laughing more so out of I understand because I've been there too. It's not. It's why I don't recommend panic selling, man. I mean, I know it's so easy to do. It's like, all right, Bitcoin's going down, I'm selling. But you know, as soon as you press that sell button, that's when the price is going to go up. Right? We all have our little different universes, right? Where we all press that sell button, and it always goes up at that level that we all press the sell button at. I mean, it's like clockwork, bro. So I mean, you're down. I mean, you lost about 16% of your portfolio if you sold everything. If you were to buy back in now, it's not the end of the world. You could have done a lot worse, to be honest. You could have done a lot worse. But yeah, I know. It sucks. We've been there. What else did I want to say? Oh, guys, so we adjusted, okay? I know we threw our Giordano Inu Fractal in the trash yesterday, okay? We threw our Giordano Inu Fractal in the trash yesterday, but this morning we decided to bring it back out. And we decided to take a look at it in a little bit different ways. You might be saying, Jordan, this doesn't even look anything correct. And I will say, I completely agree. Like, I will completely agree with your sentiment that says, Jordan, this does not look even close to what, you know, the current price of action is. But hear me out. So this in 2017, we did get a big dip down to the downside, like we said, right? We did get a big dip back in 2017. That brought us pretty far down, right? Now we did retrace some of this, right? We're back up right around this range right here. We're more so going to look at this from an exercise standpoint and see if it plays out. But, you know, if this was to play out, I mean, maybe we would see some sideways action for a week or two, and then we move up. Looks legit. There's no volume. Move the fractal bottom to today's dip. Yeah, we did right here. Oh, the fractal bottom to today's dip. Like this. No, that's going to be too much, man. That's going to be too much. I decided to go with this. Let's see if this plays out, man. Maybe some sideways action and then move. At this point, we're pulling straws, right? We're pulling straws as far as fractals go at this point. So I'll admit it, right? We're pulling some straws. We are taking some straws and we are simply trying to find a straw that will work, right? But, you know, right now, I think it is what it is. It is what it is. Hold on. Let me send one text, guy. Anyways, so that's really Bitcoin in a nutshell, guys. We're waiting to see if Bitcoin will retrace back up, right? We'll see if Bitcoin will retrace back up to 50,100 by the close tonight. I don't think it's likely, right? And I know it's going to make everyone salty. I know it's going to make everyone salty in the chat. We're all going to have our salt shakers on and like, bro, we want to go back up. This is ridiculous, right? I don't even want to see what Jimmy's up to right now. Jordan, I'm going to go insane. I'm going to go insane. Do you see my eyes? Do you see my eyes? Oh, you better pump Bitcoin, Jordan. You better pump Bitcoin. If you don't, you see these eyes? Oh, I will find you. I will find you. And I'll pump something. We don't want Jimmy. You know, we definitely don't want Jimmy to attack me, guys. So we need let's hope that Bitcoin can get a little bit of a move here today. So I don't have to keep one eye open as I sleep here. Okay. Steph said, Jordan, are you on Tinder? I know. I don't like dating apps. I don't like dating apps for multiple different reasons. But no, I'm not on Tinder. I am not on Tinder. I am taken. No, I'm not. I'm not actually taken. But I'm not on Tinder though. Anyways, that's the daily there for that. That's really it, guys. That's really it. We're waiting to see if we get that retrace, to be honest. But hopefully we can get some price action on stream. We got the close in about 14 minutes, so we'll see what goes down here ultimately. We'll see what goes down here ultimately. Anyways, Ethereum, and I think ETH. We know Ethereum has been leading the market, guys. All right, we know Ethereum has been leading the market. What I'll say here for Ethereum is Ethereum looks a lot better than Bitcoin, right? We know Ethereum has held up extremely well. ETH is still sitting at 4,100, right? ETH is still sitting at 4,100, right? You guys are killing me in the chat, man. You guys are absolutely killing me in the chat. What do you got? Grinder. Texting Melissa. I could never do that to Java. I would never do that to Java. I'm a very, very good... I could never do that, man. I actually have some morals. I could never mess up Java like that. You know? Melissa came over. Anyways, ETH is still holding, right? ETH is still holding. If you look here, you can see here, previous high, right? Previous high flipped into new support, right? Previous high flipped into new support. For the new support, and we're continuing, right? We're continuing to, you know, test those highs. We're continuing to test those highs. So if we just keep holding it as support, man, we hold it as support once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. We're just continuing to hold that as support. I think everything looks fine for Ethereum, and Ethereum just looks really strong, man. Ethereum, and this is why I married Ethereum, right? This is why I married Ethereum and I didn't marry Bitcoin, other than the fact... All right, I'm going to throw my phone over here. You guys are killing me, bro. Other than the fact that Bitcoin is apparently a man, that's why I married Ethereum, because Ethereum is looking really, really good the last couple weeks. So I would say out of everything here, I mean, you don't have any bullish divergence, really, anything on the daily at all, but you know, yeah, not really any bullish divergence at all, man. No bearish divergence. I mean, the 4 hours oversold, kind of like Bitcoin, so you're kind of just waiting to see what's going down here. Jordan just texted ETH trying to make it up to her. Yeah, she's looking pretty juicy, man. I kind of regret it. I regret leaving ETH. Okay, I do regret leaving ETH at this point. I really, really do. Really, really do. She gonna be mad you're not responding? yeah, but this wick, especially this wick for ETH here, got bought up extremely well, just like Bitcoin, right? Just like Bitcoin. Actually, let's see how much it got bought up. It got bought up like 18%, man. It got bought up like 18%. So that's not too shabby there for ETH. Not too shabby. Let's see. So that's ETH. And I'm just gonna kind of go over some alts because ultimately that's really what we're worried about right now. And one more thing on ETH is just it's just this high, man. The previous high, the 2 previous highs on ETH continuing to just be held as support, right? You had one week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, all flipping as support. It's just looking so juicy, man. Makes me regret the fact that me and ETH aren't together anymore. Makes me regret it a lot. What are you guys saying in here? Jordan, does your wife have an OnlyFans? I don't think so, but you know, she's for the streets, man. She's for the streets. She, everyone owns her at this point. I think everyone in the chat owns ETH. So she's for the streets, man. That's all I'll say about that. Anyways, besides that point, let's move on here. I want to look at that total market cap real quick. Just to kind of see if we're still holding our structure with that after the big dip that we had. Let's see the total. Let's see if we got bought up kind of where we wanted to on the total. Look at that total, man. So the total, we're looking at this downtrend here. You know, our old cup and handle support. It looks like that we're gonna get it closed below there, which is interesting. We're gonna get it closed below there, so that's very, very interesting on the total market cap, at least on the weekly time frame. If we look at the daily, you know, I don't. We have 9 minutes here to close back above this. I don't think that's necessarily gonna happen here. I don't think that's very likely at this point. We need BTC to pump hard. We absolutely need, Vanilla, we need BTC to pump hard. The market will not go up without BTC. You'll have occasional coins that'll move up without BTC, but very, very far in between that does happen, right? Very, very far in between. George gave me a shout out last night. Yeah, I heard George gave me a shout out last night. My video didn't go up because it was, like I said, I pre-recorded it earlier in the day. It was completely outdated by the time that it was supposed to go up. So that is why you didn't see me over on George yesterday. We got to do better at time, better at pre-recording at the better time, right? Which is right before, obviously. So other than that, and that's the total market cap. We'll check out the total too, just to kind of see what altcoins are looking like. I'm sure that got decimated. Decimated is a scary word. I don't know if I should use the word decimated. Decimated, it sounds pretty intimidating. But total 2, yeah. Total 2 is kind of a similar thing. It looks like you might be getting a close below. I mean, you're still sitting where you've been in the past. If you look at the total 2, you've came back down to this point multiple times in the past, right? You guys can see here on the daily. I mean, we can't keep coming back down to this relative range. It looks like the total 2 is going to close above those wicks, right? So ultimately, that's what we want to see here for total 2. Is just bounce here, bounce, and just continuing to hold that range in general, right? In the total 2. Eviscerated. I'm using very scary words. I'm using deadly. I'm using what's the word I just used? Don't use decimated. Use annihilated. Those are all scary words, man. Everyone's gonna turn into SpongeBob because I'm using these words, man. I can already see it right now. I can already see everyone right now, man. We got SpongeBob up, and everyone's in the chat going, Jordan said we're gonna be decimated. Jordan said we're getting annihilated. Why would I keep all my coins if Jordan said that the chart looks like it's getting annihilated? No, I'm selling. Mom, I can finally pay my rent. I'm selling all my Shiba. I can finally pay my rent. Are you happy? I can see it right now. But in all seriousness, I mean, we're trying to hold these lows. I mean, 1 low, 2 low, and we're kind of just chilling right there, right? Eviscerated. Do you regret selling Crow, or should I buy the dip? Do I regret selling Crow? Absolutely, I regret. Every single day, I regret selling Crow, man. Every single day, I regret selling Crow. At least we got a little bit of a dip here, so it's not as bad. It's not as bad as it was before, but Luna Burn Saint. Luna, yeah, we'll check out Luna real quick, guys. Luna is going up, so I guess we can play the pump song for Luna. Here we go. But yeah, Luna's moving up. It has its 4236 fib from this swing high to this swing low, sitting right at about 80, right below $81. So you could be seeing Luna get up to $81. Looks like it's breaking this uptrend of resistance, which is really, really nice. I'm going to assume it does have, actually doesn't. No bearish divergence on Luna. This could.
$20.
This could, in theory, I mean, $81 is the first target, but after that, you're kind of just, you're kind of in price discovery at that point, unless you want to take super small term fibs, which, I don't necessarily think you should be doing that. But yeah, Luna's killing it. At least we're getting something that's pumping. Looks like Man is actually trying to pump too. If we actually look, I mean, it doesn't look like it is, but it's up about 5%. So Mana is trying to bounce, which is nice. I'll take a nice Mana bounce. I don't know about you guys. Mana's still down a pretty good amount from its highs. It's down about 30% from its highs. So let's see what happens. Never sell Luna, guys. They are burning it so much it will literally be scarce. Scarce. Is it scarce or scarce? I don't know, guys. Is it scarce or scarce? Let me know in the chat. I actually have no idea. Let's keep hitting up that like button, guys. Keep hitting up that like button. If you guys are new to the stream, make sure you guys subscribe. Let's try to hit 60K subs tonight. Let's try to hit 60K subs. We're very, very close. I think we're like 120 away. I think we could easily do it here. If everyone that's not subscribed to the channel, just hit that subscribe button. Even if you guys watch all the time, like, it's definitely worth just hitting it. Helps with notifications too. Philly said, "You sell crow, you eat crow." Yep, I won't make that mistake again. Definitely won't make that mistake again. I'll say that. I'll definitely say that.
Excited to
Oh yeah, dude, I forgot about the fear and greed. So we get the updated fear and greed in 2 minutes, guys. Updated fear and greed in 2 minutes. I already know that everyone, it's gonna be at like a 15. I'm calling it. Everyone's gonna be crying. Everyone on Twitter's crying. Everyone on everywhere, every social media I see, everyone's crying. It's over. I think that the fear and greed is going to be at a 15. What do you guys think it's going to be at? Let me know in the chat. I think it's going to be at 15. We're going to know in 1 minute and 16 seconds here what it's going to be. So right now, Bitcoin is sitting at 42,273. The hourly candle at the moment, or the 4-hour candle, I would like to get a little bit higher here if possible. A little bit higher here if possible. I don't know if it's really going down here, to be honest. 24, 21, 6, a 6. Has it even ever been at a 6? Oh, we'll take a look at it a little bit. I don't even know if it's ever been at a 6. There's no volume. I think 15 would be an all-time low. Facts. I'm going to go 18. Ultimate Fear. Going to be 75% discount. I think Fear and Greed were at 12. We'll see. 10 minutes. 10 minutes. So it looks like Bitcoin's going to close somewhere around 49,250. Let's see where we ultimately get that official close, though. Let's see if we get the official close on the daily. There it is. It's the daily close. There it is. So we closed at, looks like 49,270-ish. Yeah, so we closed at 49,270. Let's see what Bitcoin does here on the new 4-hour candle. Okay. Let's go check. Let's go check what the Fear and Greed Index is looking like. Wow, look at these ads. Bone broth. Oh, we got True Classic Teas back. Let's refresh. Let's refresh. 18. Wow, we were pretty close, guys. I thought it was going to be at 15, but it's 18. That is, yeah, that's the lowest we've been at since July, man. It's the lowest the Fear and Greed Index has been since July. Lower than September, right? That's lower than September was when we were at right about a 20, I think. Right about a 20 in September. We're at an 18. Before that was March of 2020 before then. So, I mean, it's a lot of fear right now. A lot of fear. We have, wow, a BlockFi credit card. Wow. We got some BlockFi credit cards here. As new ads, I guess. I guess that's what I've been talking about. Apparently, that's what I've been talking about. I kind of miss the True Classic Teas every day. I don't know why. Right? I guess I got to talk in the mic a little bit more. True Classic Teas. True Classic Teas. Google, hear me, man. Hear me. We want True Classic Teas ads. We don't want BlockFi credit cards. We don't want BlockFi credit cards. This stuff, that thing sucks. Anyways, 49,385 for BTC at the current moment. Yeah. They're making bone broth from all our crushed bones. That sounds absolutely disgusting. I don't know if that sounds good to you guys. Bone broth? Just the thought of bone broth. Think about that for a second. Bone broth. They're squeezing bones to get broth. That just sounds absolutely disgusting. Maybe some people like it, right? Maybe I'm just being a hater before I even try it, but that sounds disgusting to me. That's all I'll say. I'm going to laugh when Google puts Dito's on there. Still going to get another dump, in my opinion, said John. John thinks we're going to get another dump. And it's certainly possible. It's really possible. I think at this point, I think it's likely we still retrace a little bit here. Just to kind of reset the RSI levels, and then we see what we want to do from there, right? I still think it's likely we retrace just a tad, right? It doesn't have to be a huge retrace, but I think just a tad would make some sense. You never squeeze your bone to get broth? Good with crispy bread. I like bone marrow. ETH is pumping. ETH is, I wouldn't say it's pumping, but it's trying to move up. I wouldn't call this a pump, but I would call it an attempt at a move up. It's too early to tell on ETH. Still a little bit too early to tell on ETH, to be honest, man. Bearish. Dale is bearish. Dale is bearish. All right, other than that, guys, it's not too much else going on. Let's just jump into these, and then we will kind of go from there, right? Skillful said, Jordan, you're the best. I have so much fun here every day. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, for hanging out, Skillful. All right, your name is Skillful, so you got the skills. You got the skills in the chat. Johnny said, I love crypto. I like crypto. That by far the best comment I've ever seen in a chat ever. It was just so random, bro. I like crypto. Harneal said, Fidelity open Friday, Monday opening pump. So FBTC, 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 screw BTC, F it. Every time I'm going to read that from now on, I'm just going to think FBTC, screw it. No, but Fidelity BTC open Friday, Monday opening pump. I don't know if that's going to have any effect. I have no idea that's going to actually have any effect, but we'll find out, right? We'll find out. Monday's going to be interesting, man. Monday's going to be interesting. Tom said, I panic sold all my coins at a loss. Sorry to hear that again, Tom. We talked about that a little bit earlier, but I'm sorry to hear that again, man. I really am for you. Lewis said, we've all been there, brother. Live and learn. Exactly, Lewis. Exactly. Thank you for helping Tom through this time, man. We've all been there. Vanilo said, what's up, Jordan? You think ETH can lead the bulls and go up with DOT and other alts, or do we need BTC to pump hard? I think we need BTC to pump hard. We need BTC to go up. I don't just see alts going up without Bitcoin. We need Bitcoin in general, right, to move up here. If we want to see the alts start moving up again. Uvire said, bought MetaHero. I believe it'll be huge. Possible for MetaHero to hit $20 in a few years. They do human 3D render scan to metaverse. Happy birthday. Thank you, Uvire. Appreciate the happy birthday wishes, man. What was it? MetaHero? Is it possible to hit $20? Let's see where it's at now. It's at 20 cents right now. So you're talking about a 20x, or sorry, not a 20x, a 100x. 100x. I mean, 100x. I guess isn't completely unreal. I mean, it depends on the market cap, right? I'm not gonna do any long-term price predictions. I mean, those are just kind of, you can kind of make up anything, right? But yeah, I mean, short term, it's kind of just following Bitcoin, right? But what you like about the structure of this is it was just a clean back test. Previous high just cleanly back tested as support at least as right now. So the structure still looks clean. It was actually probably a much needed back test there after a pretty big size move up from the bottom here of about a 3x move to the upside here over the course of a couple days. A nice clean back test, and now you're hoping that you can continue up, right? Carl talked about Costa. Now we all know Costa. Oh, come on, man. He talked about man, the word Costa. I'm gonna say this right now.
Rant alert, rant alert, rant alert, rant alert.
The word Costa, I can't even look at pasta the same way. Every time I hear the word Costa, and I think of pasta, and I love pasta, I can't even eat pasta anymore because I think of Carl the Moon saying frickin' Costa on Twitter. Costa this, Costa that. I love Costa. You guys should invest in Costa. Check out Costa. Costa, Costa, Costa. It's like, bro, we know. As Bob would say. Carl, we know. You like the friggin' coin. You're invested in it. It's your partner. Stop friggin' shilling it. We know. We know you're shilling it. Stop putting up a front. We know you're getting paid to say this stuff. Stop. Stop. Please. For all our sanities. Give us TA. We don't care about Costa. Oh, man. I can't even look at pasta the same way. It's ridiculous. Anyways. Let's see. Excited to see the Fear and Greed Index. Think the ads will be pawn shops and payday loans. No, we actually got BlockFi credit card, which I guess kind of makes sense too. I guess kind of makes a little bit of sense. Is Bitcoin... Bitcoin's trying to move up here, slowly but surely. Slowly but surely. Let's see. You sell crow, you eat crow. You sell crow, you eat crow. All right? That's very true, Philly. That's very true. It's very true. Is there people actually in the chat defending Carl? What the heck? What is this world came to, man? Have no fear. Steve is here. If you're recovered from last night's endeavors, there's no volume. Smash those likes, become a member today. Thank you, Steven, for the shout out, man. Thanks for hanging out, dude. Appreciate everyone that just hangs out. Appreciate everyone that hangs out, even on negative days like today. Very, very negative day. Right? I guess unless it's people that want to buy the dip, which I bet a ton of you guys buy the dip. Did you guys buy any more crypto today? Let me know in the chat. Did you buy any crypto today? Let me know. Do. It's in the hat. Facts. What else we got here? I hold 15 ETH. When moon. I'm throbbing for a pump. You're throbbing for a pump? That sounds wrong, man. You're throbbing for a pump. That sounds so wrong, man. I'm throbbing. You hold 15 ETH when moon? I mean, when Bitcoin decides to moon, right? When Bitcoin decides to moon. 41.56 for ETH. I mean, ETH is trying to move up here. Most alts are trying to move up here, I can see. So, that's good. It's because Bitcoin's trying to move up too. 49.645 for Bitcoin. Can we get any juice, guys? All right, we're getting that retracement. The question is, where will we retrace to, right? Where will we retrace to? The retracement made sense. It's just a matter of deciding where does Bitcoin want to retrace to, and will it get above the level it needs to when it hits that retracement target, right? That's the question. Or will it flip one of these as old support into new resistance and continue down? That's obviously what remains to be seen here. 49.732 for BTC. All right, making a little bit of movement here, BTC buy orders filled at 43K last night, and 3,700 ETH orders filled. Nice, man. 43K Bitcoin. And dude, I wish I was able to buy. I wasn't able to buy the $3,500 ETH. You would have to actually probably catch the bottom even to do that, which It's pretty unlikely, but I wish I was able to do that. I wasn't able to rebuy my wife, you know, or my ex-wife, I should say. The dead cat bounce guys are back, Jordan. Yep. There's going to be a lot of trolls in the chat. A lot of trolls. A lot of, you know, just a lot of trolls and, I guess, bears are in the chat. How many bears are in the chat right now? I actually don't see that many. I'm surprised. Maybe me saying it's going to invite them out. I think a lot of people that were bulls 2 days ago are now zipping up their suits. I think a lot of people zipped up their suits. A lot of people here. I have not zipped up my suit yet, right? My suit is still unzipped. This dude keeps spamming if he should buy Big Daddy Bitcoin now. Rant alert, homie, let's go. Should you buy Bitcoin right now?
Rant alert.
Only buy if you're okay with the price going lower. Okay? Maybe buy a little bit now, right? Buy a little bit. If you got, let's say you got a certain percentage, maybe buy 20% of your cash now, right? Maybe buy 20% now. Hold the rest in case we go lower. I don't know. It depends on your preference, man. Depends on your preference, because Bitcoin still could go lower. We don't actually know if it will or if it won't go lower, right? So if you feel like it's a good time at DCA, go for it. I mean, I would say that. I mean, buying at a 20% discount from the high, I think is still a good buy, even if Bitcoin can go lower, right? In reality, it depends on your time preference too. If it's a long-term hold, hey, screw it, man. I mean, I think you can do worse than buying Bitcoin at 49,000. I think you can do a lot worse, man. A lot worse. Who cares? Just buy, bud. I'm trying to be more practical, man. Because yeah, I could just say, just freaking buy it, bro. Buy it. Wait, and eventually your investment will be up. But I think it's a little bit too. It's a little bit too direct. I think, you know, it's a little bit too direct just to say buy it, set it and forget it, and just don't worry about it. You know. There's so many different strategies. Like you can put it all in now if you wanted to. You could put a little bit in. You could wait. You could wait at all and see if we go lower. They all have their pros and cons. It's all a risk, right? It's all a risk either way. Mana and Phantom. I mean, yeah, there's going to be some alts that are moving up. Like Mana's up like 2%. I mean, nothing crazy. Nothing crazy going on for Mana right now. It's up like 2%. Not really doing too much. Not really doing too much. What I say about Mana is it looks like it flipped this previous high and these previous lows. Looks like it flipped that. It's trying to flip that as resistance. So I think what you want to see here from Mana is to get back above right about that level, like 430, and not flip that as resistance, right? Instead, get back over that. And I think you'd be looking a lot better here for Mana in general. You know what I mean? I'm moving into my mom's basement again. I'm 43. Oh, God. Hey, you got to do what you got to do, man. I mean, if that's what you got to do, hey, go move in your mom's basement, man. Move in the mom's basement. Get your life together, okay? And then move out. Right? If that's what you got to do, that's what you got to do. I mean, there's no shame, all right? The only shame that's going to get put on you is the shame you put on yourself, right? It is what it is, in my opinion. That's my favorite saying. It is what it is. If that's what you got to do, you got to do it. Hype is in. Whales are making bag holders out of the masses. Yep. Shadow Beast said, would you sell all your cryptos or most of them if war breaks out in Ukraine? I don't know, man. Probably not. Probably not. Not all. You know? It probably would take some crazy news like aliens would have to be coming after us on Earth here. Obviously on Earth. No, Jordan. I'm freaking Mars. Obviously on Earth. Aliens would have to come here from probably me to sell all my crypto, man. Literally aliens. Literally. Hey, Jordan, I see a F again in the charts. You don't see a W, Wes? You see an F? Yeah, I see the F. I see the F. It's right here. Kaboom. Kaboom. There it is. Bitcoin's giving you the F pattern, okay? This is another classic market makers pattern, okay? Should we have market makers on real quick, guys, to explain the F pattern to you? Okay. Come on, Brendan. Come on, Brendan. They want to talk to you. I hate hearing your voice, but they want to hear from you. Come on, Brendan. Come on, Brendan. All right. Thank you, sir. Thank you. No, don't shill your trading. Don't shill your trading group today. Just come on. Come on. What's going on, guys? It's Brendan from Market Makers. It's Brendan from Market Makers back today. Wanted to make another update video because I only make videos when Bitcoin dumps, and you guys can see the title of the video, right? Bitcoin dumping, just like I said, okay? Just like I said. Guys, we've been talking about this bearish F pattern, okay? We've been talking about this bearish F pattern for weeks now, okay? And Bitcoin on the weekly has now confirmed the bearish F pattern, okay? What is the bearish F pattern, you may ask? Well, it's when Bitcoin makes this formation where it has a big move up, right? A big parabolic rally, but in that parabolic rally actually has two corrections, right? And the breakout of our F pattern would actually be this upwards trending support. And you can see that got smashed to the upside, guys. So this is what I've been telling you guys. It's what I've been telling you guys. The market makers love to get the bulls extremely bullish. And when the bulls get extremely bullish, that's when they bring the price down, okay? I've been talking about this in my trading group. If you guys aren't in the trading group, make sure you guys go join the trading group, right? Stop listening to these moon boys. Stop listening to these moon boys who just constantly say the price is going to go up forever, okay? Make sure you guys go to the best trading group in crypto. We've been absolutely killing it this year. We have people making $1,000, $2,000 a day over there in my trading group, right? So, guys, watch the bearish F pattern. We're going back down to 30K. It's happening. I know you guys don't want to hear it, but that's just the reality of the market, okay? I'll see you guys later. Thanks for having me, Jordan. See ya. All right, we're back. All right. Anyways, so the bearish F pattern. There you go. There you go. I guess we got a new pattern in here. A new pattern. Bitcoin's trying to move up again. 49.7. Trying to. It's the key word is try. It's inching. It's inching up. Inching like an inchworm, guys.
Strap up. We're going to the moon.
I can't play the pump song. I can't. It even hurts me to even play Strap Up, We're Going to the Moon, because it's a reality we're not really going to the moon right now. But I got to play something, right? I got to play something. Or else we're just going to sit here in sadness, right? I'm pretty sure Jordan wears a wig, and the bald Jordan is the real Jordan. It might be. It might be, man. Kirby actually said we're going to 11K today. Oh my god. This dude Kirby switches up every 2 seconds, bro. I can't. Kirby, man. Like, dude. Kirby is the dude, it's like, bro. How you gonna switch up? Kirby switches up every day, bro. It's like, we're going to 80K. Oh, no. Oh, we dumped. Now we're going back to 10K. Oh, we're pumping again. Clear skies to 80K. It's like, dude. As soon as you get the Kirby videos calling for 11K, it's probably the bottom signal. You know, it's probably the bottom signal at that point. Warning, shots fired. 49,605. We are not going to 29K. I don't think we're going to 29K, man. Kirby is the Peter Schiff of crypto. Kirby last week 90K, today 0. Oh man. It's gonna pump up soon now, by now. It's the bottom signal, man. Actually, you know what the bottom signal is, guys? We need to see Alex Becker say he sold all his crypto. That's usually the bottom signal. Every time Alex Becker says he sold all his crypto, that's when the price starts going up. Hold on, let me get my water, guys. I need to get my water jug. My mouth is freaking dry tonight, dude. It's the beer from last night. Let me go grab my water here real quick, guys. All right. We're good. Buy everything, sell nothing. Facts. How does Mike lift that massive boulder of a pillow every day? I have no idea. I have no freaking idea, bro. Someone said fart. I did not fart, Keith, okay? I did not fart, Keith. Talk about Anchor, please. It's a reverse cowgirl. Come on, Bitcoin, let's go. Move up, man. Move up.
Strap up. We're going to the strap up. Strap up. We're going to the moon.
I went all in on gold. So glad I went all in on gold last night. Dude, why did you go all in on gold, man? Why did you go, out of all things, why did you go all in on gold? Out of all things. They said, yup, he's got the phone. You guys are too funny, man. You guys are way too funny. He said, yup, he's got the phone, man. The highest selling pressure hour candle since COVID dip. Yeah, pretty much. Wow. I now have Bentley adverts on YouTube. Wow, man. There you go. You must be killing it, bro. You must be killing it. Wes said I would fly from Netherlands to Boston to hang out. Bro, Wes, let me know when you want to come over, man. Let me know, bro. I'm down. I'm always down to hang out with people, man. I like hanging out with peeps. I do. I'm generally a pretty social. I like to hang out with people. I'm generally pretty social. I'm actually kind of weird. Like sometimes I'll be really social. And then sometimes I want to just like have like a week where I don't talk to anyone. It's honestly like it's kind of weird. Pump song for gold. I'm not playing the pump song. Sir, dude, I love you, man. I'm not playing the pump song for gold. Not a friggin' chance, bro. Not a friggin' chance. You got a better chance of seeing Satoshi. That's what I'll say about that. A better chance of seeing damn Satoshi. Matic's trying to bounce back, though. Matic is trying to bounce back. Matic actually, the Matic setup wasn't actually too bad. We know we were in this like symmetrical triangle earlier for Matic. What we did was interesting, right? On this dip for Bitcoin, we came all the way back down, tested the bottom of the triangle, okay? And now we're moving up. So let's see what happens. 206. 206 is where that is at the moment. But yeah, Matic's trying to move up about 5% in the day. Not too shabby there. Not too shabby. I should say so myself. The daily looks not too bad too. Not too bad in the daily. Pump song for copper. I'll have it Jenny in cold storage. We good if power goes out. I'm gonna come chill with Jabba. You guys are like, I don't want to chill with Jordan. I want to chill with Jabba. I don't know if you would want to. He's really obnoxious. I don't think you would know what chilling with Jabba would entail, guys. I don't think you would know. What else can we look at here? What's the dominance looking like today? Dominance is pretty much flat. Pretty much flat in the Bitcoin dominance. We know we broke down from this wedge. So like we're looking at a potential move back down to 39.86, which is not a huge move in the dominance, like 2%, but still looking like that is probably going to happen here. Just based off where we'd gone in the past when we did dip. So That's what I'm watching for. 39.86 on the dominance. Luna pump song. Is Luna still pumping? Let's see. Let's see if Luna's still pumping. It's not really still pumping. Luna kind of settled down a little bit here. Luna was higher earlier. It's like 76 bucks earlier. Now it's kind of just chilling. We said 81 bucks is the target for Luna. 81 bucks. Netflix and chill with Jabba. You guys would be watching the movie. You guys would be watching a movie with Jabba. And I don't think him and Melissa are going to last. I actually heard them earlier today. I think they were Netflix and I think they were Netflix and chilling earlier. And they were trying to watch a movie. And this is how it pretty much went. Okay? This is how it pretty much went. Melissa, isn't this such a good movie? This is such a good movie, isn't it? Let's keep watching. Let's keep watching.
Give me fire.
Oh, that was so funny. That was so funny, Melissa. Wasn't that so funny? Wasn't it funny, Melissa? Oh, I can't believe that just happened. Holy, I can't believe that just happened. Melissa, I actually know what's going to happen next. I'm not going to tell you, though. I'm not going to tell you what's going to happen next. Let's keep watching, though. All right. You know what's going to happen next, Melissa? Here's what's going to happen next. I don't know if you want to chill, Netflix and chill with Java, man. He won't stop. He won't stop talking. And his annoying voice. How do you eat? Flexa, come on, man. We don't need to know this stuff. Let's see where it goes at. The funniest thing yesterday was Java getting it in. It's Java getting it in. With Melissa. Yeah. Melissa, take the Lambo. Man. Then he said, big boy needs love too. Give me fuel, give me fire. It is IoTex I desire. Alright, IoTex. Man. Oh, man. All right. We need to fill time somehow. I mean, dude. All right. So, IoTex. Let's going down on IoTex. Nothing really. I mean, if we're being completely honest here. Yeah, man. It's pretty much the same thing. It's pretty much the same thing. Missy said, what's happening? You don't want to know. You don't want to know, Missy. You don't want to know what's happening, Missy. Okay, it was explosive. Oh, man. I'll have to show you what Melissa looks like tomorrow, guys. I will get tomorrow. I'm gonna get a picture of Melissa so you guys can see on stream what she looks like. You'll be generally shocked. You guys will probably be generally shocked at what she looks like. Java might be killing it. You know, might be killing it. No, but IoTex, it was kind of just in this channel right here. It was in this channel, right? Down, up, down, up, down, up. You were riding the channel. You broke down. It looks like you got a wick up and initially got rejected, right? Initially got rejected there off this previous support flipped into resistance, right? Now what's going to happen, right? Now what's going to happen is the question. Are you going to be able to get back into the channel, or are you going to get rejected there? You know, I think that's the ultimate question here at the moment. 4 hours oversold. It was a good spot for a potential reversal back to the upside. I think you probably broke all the fibs. Yeah, you broke all the fibs, all the Fibonacci's. Fifth macro wave beginning. Yeah, the fibs don't really fit on this, so you just gotta hope that you have the juice to get back up there. To get back up. No bullish divergence. That's what I probably would be looking for here, mainly. There's no bullish divergence yet, so I don't know. We'll see what happens. We will see what happens ultimately, but yeah, I mean, this would make sense for potential reverse area if you can get back over that trend line there. All right, Bitcoin showing a little bit of weakness on Captain BTC at the moment. We were able to get up to like 49,800, and now we've kind of retraced right back down. So Bitcoin just doing nothing, doing absolutely nothing. Fortnite Daily said, can we check out Harmony? Love the stream. Thank you, Fortnite Daily. Appreciate you hanging out. Let's check out Harmony for my guy in the chat. Harmony 1. Melissa's the man in the relationship. Maybe she is. Not really sure. Maybe she is. Harmony 1 in the daily is looking like, man, this thing got wrecked, bro. Every alt kind of got wrecked. I mean, this is down 50% from the highs. This went down 66%. Imagine picking up Harmony at 13 cents. You probably never thought you would see 13 cents again. That's crazy. But if you were to look at where we got that pump back up, let's see. So some swing low to back up the swing high. Yeah, I mean, these fibs aren't really matching either. It's kind of interesting. So, you know, these coins are just kind of just floating around right now. Floating. I guess what you're trying to do right now, in a nutshell, is pretty much just hold these previous highs looking left. Hold them as support. That's why you're getting some support at this level right now. Looks like it wants to do a little dipperoo. Definitely looks like it wants to do a little bit more of a dipperoo. After retracing. Let's see where it retraced to. You retrace to not even a fib level, right? Not even a damn fib level. So let's say Bitcoin's coming back down again. You might see some alts come back down as well. Probably say Harmony. If you were to come back down again, I'd probably say 18.1 cents is probably going to be that next level to watch. Especially as Bitcoin is looking a little bit, showing a little bit of weakness at the moment. World of Combat Store said 4th macro wave complete, 5th macro wave beginning. The 5th macro wave. I don't know what these waves are, man. I don't know what the waves are. And would you be looking at, like, I just don't know what you'd be looking at in a nutshell here. You know? What's the macro wave? The 4th macro wave complete. Be looking at something like ding, 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 ding. I don't even know. I don't even know what you'd be looking at. Unless you'd be looking at like a huge macro thing where you're like 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know. I don't know, man. I don't know what to tell you. Savvy knows. Savvy would know the Elliott waves. He's got an Elliott wave for everything. I feel like Elliott waves are just so to me that they're just so subjective, man. Because you can make an Elliott wave on anything. If it comes down again, it'll give us more time to buy in, I guess. Yeah, I guess it'll give us more time to buy in. I don't think that's what we want, though. I guarantee you 80% of the people in the chat right now are like, bro, we don't want to buy more. We already got enough. Just go up, right? We're sick of buying. We're sick of buying the dips. All we hear is buy the dip, buy the dip, buy the dip. I can see Bob getting pissed at that too. He's scrolling through Twitter. Bob's probably keeps scrolling through Twitter. Sometimes I do this too. Bob's scrolling. Where is he? Let's check out Twitter. Let's check out Twitter. Okay. Okay. MM Crypto said buy the dip. Okay. 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 Carl said buy the dip. BitBoy said buy the dip. Martini guy said buy the dip. There's Costa and Carlamone. Okay. Buy the dip again. I don't want to buy the dip. Screw it. I don't want to buy the dip. I've been buying every single freaking dip. Stop telling me to buy the dip. This is like the 100th time. Buy the dip. Buy the dip. Buy the dip. I'm sick of buying these damn dips. There's too many of these damn dips. I don't even have enough chips for this dip. I need some more chips. Mom, do you have any Doritos? Do you have any Tostito chips? I need some for the dips. I'm out of chips. And I need some to buy the dips. Sometimes scrolling through Twitter, man. Buy the dip, buy the dip, buy the dip. Enough of the freaking dips. Like we have endless cash supply. It's so true, man. It's so true. There's plenty of dip to go. Genius advice, buy the dip. Thank you. Genius advice. You guys crack me up sometimes. You guys crack me up sometimes. I love just making fun of like the general crypto stuff. It's just like, it's always buy the dip, buy the dip. It really is. Someone said it's like we have endless cash supply. Sure, let me just take out another mortgage to buy the dip. Or sure, let me get a loan to buy the dip again. Ah, man. Dergonda said def going down, but not full pass. Okay. Yeah, Bitcoin's like a little weak here on this so far, but that can change, right? That can change. Why did I just make that face? You guys ever realize like you did something really weird and you're like, why did I just do that? Like, there's probably someone watching the stream that just watched me do that and is like, wow, I look at him a different way now. It's probably someone like that. Let's see, Bam Bam. Bam Bam. We got Bam Bam in the chat. That's a pretty good name. It's a pretty good name. You guys know I like good names, right? Where's Devon? You know who I miss, guys? You know who I miss? Devontae Duke. I miss Devontae Duke. Who is here as an OG enough to miss Devontae Duke? Because I miss Devontae Duke. And I don't know if he misses me. If anyone has any contact info to find Devontae Duke, I would love that. I miss seeing his name. But Bam Bam said, can you look at VVS Finance? We can. I'm going to guess it's probably dumping because Bitcoin's dumping, but let's see. It's not on here. It's not on TradingView, man. Sure, it's on here. What the heck is this? Is it a stablecoin? Well, this thing, I mean, there's not much I can say about this. Looks like a stablecoin to me.
That's an Exodome stablecoin.
All right. Bitcoin, Bitcoin, Bitcoin. We're dumping. Oh, man, we're dumping. Let's see if we hold the 236. Maybe we hold the 236 and we continue up. Maybe. Maybe is the question. Or Bitcoin might come down and maybe try to make some type of bullish divergence here on the hourly and the 4 hour, like we said earlier. Like, we could come back down here again and then give us a bullish divergence, which gives us a little bit more juice to continue up. It's obviously the hopeful scenario. VeChain is on Crow Block. Choking on myself. 47K retest, here we come. Metal Gear, so what happened to Jazz? She left me. She left me. She watches someone else now. She left me, man. No, I think Jazz. I think Jazz eventually got salty of my antics. It is what it is. It is what it is. I'm a very how should I word this? I'm a very actually we're not going to go into this right now. We're not going to go into this right now. It's a bad time to go into this. BitBoy lost all street cred. I've been hearing this. What did BitBoy say, guys? I've been hearing this all around the interwebs, as BitBoy would say, right? What did he say? What did he say? I've been hearing that he said the bull market's over all of a sudden now, which seems a little, seems a little flip-floppy. I mean, I think BitBoy does that all the time. I didn't hear what he said, so I can't personally comment on what he said. I didn't hear what he said, but I assume it's probably something like this. Hold on. The best. It's the hat. The best channel in the interweb. The best channel in the interwebs. So today, guys, I have to tell you, I think that the bull market is over. The bull market is over, and I'm selling all my crypto. Okay, I'm selling all my crypto. I know I was telling you guys 2 days ago to buy the dip. I was telling you guys. I was telling you guys 2 days ago to buy the dip. Okay. And now 2 days later, I just panic sold all my crypto without letting you guys know beforehand. Okay, I totally did all you guys dirty. I'm sorry. I know I kept telling you guys buy the dip, buy the dip, buy the dip. We're going back up. We're going back up. We're going back up. But I have to say, as the best channel and the most trusted channel on the interwebs, this is what I had to do. Okay. And if you guys want to be salty in the chat, you guys can be salty in the chat. TJ, can you ban all these guys in the chat that are talking crap? TJ, ban all these guys. TJ, yeah, ban every single one of them. Ban every single one of them. Every single one of them, TJ. Ban them. Ban them. BitBoy said if you go below 40K, he sells all. I mean, that's up to him. We're sort of just joking around, but that's up to him. That's up to him. His insider said so. His insider sucks. Whoever his insider is sucks. What happened to the top in September? And then he says, and then all of a sudden now it's getting pushed out into the end of the year, and now all of a sudden it's this. It's like, bro, that if you guys actually believe what that guy says in the first place, I always said you guys shouldn't believe anyone says. Don't believe what I say. Don't believe what anyone says. Don't believe what BitBoy says. Don't believe what George says. Don't believe what Ben says. Don't believe what anyone says. Crypto, Carl, do your own research, man. But if you actually trusted what BitBoy was saying in the first place, I mean, I guess that's kind of on you in the first place. But that's just me. W2F this guy. I just love him. Thank you. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. I mean, we gotta have a little fun and days like this, you know. We can't be sit. We could sit here and be all gloom and doom, like, oh, guys, the bull market's over. The bull market's over, guys. You know. So we're just gonna sit here and watch Bitcoin struggle, and we're gonna have no fun. You know. It looks like Bitcoin's price action looks really, really sucky right now. Looks like it could roll over and come back down. I mean, that's pretty much going on right now, guys. I know I'm a really, really fun channel, and you can really hear the hype in my voice right now talking about it. But yeah, Bitcoin just looks really bad right now. We're not doing that. We're not doing that crap. Okay, we're not doing that freaking crap. Yes, do it like that. Bear market is here, boys. This big boy has hair. That's true. How is ETH doing compared to Bitcoin? ETH is still holding up pretty well here. ETH is still, as long as ETH holds this high, as long as ETH holds 39.74, ETH is still looking juicy. Still looking juicy, juicy, juicy. Because it's the previous high, and you came back down and back tested that level so many times, right? So many times. So many times. Jordan, keep buying the dip. You'll be okay. I will continue to buy the dips, man. I will continue to buy the dips. I'm not going to sit here and be like, guys, buy the dip, buy the dip. The only thing I'll say is I'll call you guys SpongeBob, right? I'll sit here and call you guys SpongeBob. BitBoy said that if we go below 40K, he sell all. Wow. That's I mean, to me, saying if it that makes no sense. That completely
Rant alert, 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 rant alert.
You saying that if it's gonna go below a certain number is doing exactly what the opposite of what you've been preaching on your damn channel the entire time, man. Bitcoin goes below 40K, you're gonna sell your whole portfolio. So what you're basically saying is people should follow you and people should sell the red candles, right? Sell when the price is going down, which is the opposite of what you should be doing. And the opposite of what you've been preaching the whole damn year is buy the dip, buy the dip, buy the dip, buy the dip, sell, take profit to the top, take profit to the top, take profit to the top. But you're gonna sit here and tell people that you're gonna panic sell when the price is already down freaking 50% from the highs. What kind of BS is that? That's some BS, man. That's some BS. You're literally telling people to do the opposite of what you've been preaching the entire freaking time. That's freaking ridiculous, man. Freaking ridiculous. And you wonder why you get noobs who panic sell. It's because you got these freaking like influencers that do the exact same thing, man. And they scare everyone else saying, oh, I'm selling all my crypto if Bitcoin goes below 40K. And then they all do the same thing.
Rant alert, rant alert, rant alert, rant alert, rant alert, rant alert.
Ridiculous, bro. It's absolutely ridiculous. When Jordan gets angry, we know he's being serious. I am being serious. That's ridiculous, bro. You're gonna sell after the price. So you're gonna wait till 40K happens at this point, and you're gonna sell when the price. At that point, the price would be down. The price would be down 42% at that point, and you're gonna sell after the price already drops 42%. GG, bro. GG. Bitcoin has mastered the buy high, sell low philosophy. Yeah, man, it is what it is. It is what it is. I don't know what else to say. Like, am I not wrong? Am I wrong on this? I feel like that's ridiculous. Am I wrong in saying this? What do you guys think? You know, what do you guys think? Literally. I think he was just trolling. Very emotional, Jordan. Very emotional, man. Very emotional. Very emotional. Abdella said Luna's absolutely killing it. Bitmart and SafeMoon just got hacked. Okay. All right, so apparently, Wes, I don't know if that's true. If it is true, never trust a coin that has the word safe in it. Never trust a coin that has the word safe in the name. Okay, I'll say that again.
Rant alert.
Never trust a coin that has the word safe in the name. Probably ain't very safe. Luna's killing it. Yeah, we looked at Luna earlier. I mean, we looked at Luna earlier. It was higher. It was at like 76, 77. It's getting back down a little bit here. So yeah, nothing's changed for Luna. Nothing's changed. We broke this uptrend and resistance, and this might just be a back test, hopefully, before continuation up. We said what's good about this is there's no bearish divergence on this, so Luna could potentially move up higher here if it so wants to. Up to about $81 is the next target for Luna. Safe in name, probably not. Unsafe Moon. I don't know if that's actually true. Anyway, guys, Wes said that. Wes seems to know what he's saying a lot of times. BTC try to bring market down, but ETH staying strong. P.S. Yeah, ETH is holding extremely strong. ETH is holding extremely strong. Still sitting above 4,100 actually, which is pretty good. Pretty good. I'm gonna enjoy the bear market in my mom's basement in the good life. There you go, bananas. Enjoy it. I wouldn't say no. Durganda, I wouldn't say Bitcoin's not an idiot. Bitcoin's not an idiot. He's not an idiot. I actually like BitBoy, so he's not an idiot. I wouldn't call him an idiot. I just think saying that is just preaching the opposite of what you've been preaching to people for a long time. So I just don't agree with that philosophy. But he's not an idiot. I actually like I actually like his morning streams. I watch them every now and then. Real PC Benchmark said, "Start to think B-Boy was just lucky on last bull run." I mean, some people call him lucky, some people call him smart, right? I mean, if you were accumulating in the bear market, you were smart. You were ahead of the game. So I would never call anyone lucky. You know, I would never call anyone lucky. You're not lucky. You just had more balls. You had more cojones to buy when everyone else didn't want to buy. That's not luck. That's balls. That is balls. There's a lot of people that were too scared to buy in the bear market, right? Always thought the price was going to go lower. No cojones. If you did, you had cojones. That's not luck. That's not luck. Slam said, check Luna, please. Everyone wants to check Luna. Guys, Luna, we looked at Luna like 8 times. We got Luna like 8 times. It's just chilling. It's just chilling. It moved up pretty well today. We broke this uptrend of resistance. We broke the 0.3618 Fibonacci. And, you know, now we're trying to, looks like back test this. And hopefully going to move up to 81. But yeah, I mean, Luna's looking good, guys. Luna's not looking too shabby, if I say so myself. If I say so myself. Crypto Capitol Hill meeting next week, said Starlord. Interesting, man. We'll see what happens with that. Let's see. Paperboy.
Let's go make some paper. Let's go make some paper mache.
Thanks for always calling it like it is. Appreciate it. Thank you, OSU. I mean, I say what's on my mind. I mean, a lot of people fluff stuff. They fluff stuff, you know. Hey, people can do whatever they want. Like it's a free world, right? It's a free world. People can do whatever they want to do. But if I disagree with something, I'm going to say it. I'm going to say it, and I'm going to mean it. Okay? No fluff. Man. Not much going on. Really not much going on in the market right now, guys. What is it, 754? Please, for the love of God, look at Luna. We looked at Luna like 8 times. Let's see. Do. He got an early end of story. That's true. That's true. He got in early. All right, what else can we look at for BTC, man? I mean, there's not too much really to say. I mean, we're just deciding if Bitcoin's gonna retrace or it's gonna roll over. So far, I mean, it's just kind of consolidating here, man. So I guess we can talk about random crap. I mean, that's what we do for half the stream anyways. We talk about random freaking crap. What do you guys got for me? Let's talk about random crap, right? Let's talk about random crap. Everything looked like it was moving up and everything's coming back down. So everything's just following Bitcoin right now, guys. I mean, that's just the moral of the story at the moment. I wish that wasn't the case, but that's just what's going down here. Gala. Let's see. Yeah, Gala's another one that's trying to move up here. Gala. Yeah, I mean, downtrend of resistance. You want to just break this downtrend of resistance, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Just want to break it. You break this, you're gonna be looking juicy. Gonna be looking juicy. And these coins, or I shouldn't say coins, these cryptos don't seem to really follow Bitcoin too perfectly, right? They kind of do their own thing a lot of times. So we'd be surprised if this does break. I would not be surprised. You're right at the 4-hour EMA ribbon. Right at that 4-hour EMA ribbon. You can get back above that, perfect. You're getting some resistance on it right now. Let's see. Let's see. That's why I always say, guys, when all the big people start hyping up a coin, it's probably going to be the local top. That's why I always say it, man. I always say it. When all the big people start hyping up a coin, it's probably going to be the local top. Doesn't mean it's going to be the top, right? Doesn't mean it's going to be the top. It's usually going to have a pullback after that happens. And Kadena is a perfect example of that. We've seen it with SHIB. We've seen it with Kadena. We've seen it with other coins too. Like that stream. Yeah, let's like the stream, guys. Let's like that stream, brother. I'm drinking White Claws in Boston. Star-Lord's drinking White Claws in Boston. Nice, dude. Nice, dude. Yeah. I still engage with them sometimes. They're Gandhi. I like the way you talk. I still engage with him sometimes. That's funny. But yeah, BitBoy's fine. BitBoy's fine. I mean, he knows what he's doing on YouTube, right? He knows how to get people to click his videos, right? I mean, we all know what he's doing. He probably doesn't even believe half the stuff he says, right? It's all for views. I mean, we know this. He's even admitted to this. When he was on Anthony Papliano, he was on his show, he even admitted to this, that he makes his thumbnails and talks about stuff just to get views. I mean, that's kind of what YouTube is, if you want to go down that route. In a nutshell, really, any genre, really, kind of what it is. Khalid said, your thoughts on KDA? George said it was the next Sol, so I bought it after viewing, and ever since the vid, it's dropped. Currently at $14. Yeah, I mean, Kadena will probably bounce back up. It's just, probably was just bad time. I don't know if it was bad timing, but if you look at this, yeah, I mean, this thing dips. Thing's at 20. It's about 65%. Oh, it's down about 57%. I mean, a lot of coins are down about 67% or so. Let's see where you bounced off of. Fibs just aren't helping you with this, man, at all. Like, there's no fib help. No fib help at all. So, I don't know. At Boston Encore? Oh, absolutely. Absolutely, man. I wanted it to be in the summertime, though. Because I actually went into Boston last night, and it was freaking freezing, bro. It was freezing. It wasn't even that cold. It was just like, dude, you're waiting for the Uber outside, and you're standing there, and you're like, all right, this is ridiculous. But yeah, that would definitely be awesome for sure. All right, does this retrace here? Does this retrace? The daily has a little bit more room to run down. The 4 hours a little bit cooked. The 4 hours a little bit cooked. Just trying to bounce again. There's just no edge on this, right? There's no 4 hour divergence. There's no hourly divergence. I always want to see some type of divergence here on some time frame. Doesn't mean it can't reverse to the upside here. It's just, I don't know. Maybe you come back down one more time on the 1 hour. It's gonna be interesting. A lot of this is gonna depend on Bitcoin too. So it's like, it's almost useless to look at like this alt, for example, because if it looks good and Bitcoin decides to poop the bed, right? Bitcoin comes out of the woodwork and goes, No! Melissa, don't go! No! Why are you putting your clothes on? Why are you putting your clothes on? Come back! Melissa, no! It just came out! It just came out! Melissa, no, don't leave! Please! It just squeaked out! I didn't mean to! We were having such a good time! Why you? No! Melissa! Oh. All right, I couldn't do it. I couldn't do it. If Bitcoin decides to crap the bed again, I mean, this could come down. This could come down. Oh man. DJ said squeaked. That was an explosion. All right. Man, I'm done. All right. Anyways. Oh man. BitBoy spread false info on AMP. Why are we all ganging up on BitBoy now? Let's hang it on BitBoy. Let's cool down BitBoy. Then it pumped and dumped. Lost out on all respect, but he's halfway decent. I still engage with him sometimes. Nice. There you go, Draganda. Starlord said, I'm drinking White Claws in Boston. We need to have... There's a lot of people up in this area, man. You'd be surprised. There's a lot of people up in this area. I know off the top of my head, there's probably 20 to 30 people. Probably more than that. I mean, that's just stuff I know. So, a lot of people in this area. Sir Dude said we should do a meetup this summer at Boston Encore for the locals. Absolutely, man. I'd be so down to do that. I'm always down to do stuff, man. I'm always down to do stuff. Seriously. You started it? I did start it. The knock life said Giordano. Giordano, can you do a Karen rant and clap at the DXY and tell it to take a dump next week? And also, she's annoyed at Melissa for shilling the dollar. Okay. Let's do the DXY. And let's have Karen on. Mom, can you come explain the DXY? I don't know. They want you to explain the DXY. I don't know why they want you. I'm sure you have no interest in doing it. Okay? No interest in doing it. Can you come on? Okay, thank you. What do you guys want? I'm busy doing the dishes. What do you guys want? Oh, you guys want to talk about the DXY? This thing better dump. Okay? My financial advisor, has told me that this is supposed to dump. It is not dumping. I need to talk to the manager of the DXY. Where's the manager of the DXY? This thing needs to dump right now. Okay? This reminds me of that time. I don't know where I'm going with this. This needs to dump right friggin' now. I am sick and tired of the DXY going up. This is ridiculous. We didn't ask for this. I asked for the DXY to go down, and I want it to go down right now. I need the manager right now. If I don't see the manager right now, oh boy, you haven't seen anything yet. You want to see an angry customer? Oh boy, you want to see an angry customer? I'll show you an angry customer. I want my refund right now of my US dollars. Right now. You got 5 seconds. To give me a refund. enough of that. Enough of that. Enough of that. I don't know. I don't know where I was going with that story. But anyways, yeah, I mean, DXY continue up. We wanted to basically get rejected off some of these previous lows, right? Some of these previous lows, you want to see these get rejected and confirm them as resistance and move back down ultimately, right? That's what you want to see. That's what you want to see. Great, we hate fiat. Get it. BitBoy looks pretty damn emotional on his video, pacing up and down his garage. I need to watch this later. Apparently. You guys keep hyping it up. So now I'm gonna watch it, and it better be a good video. It better be a good video. I'm telling you right now, it better be a good video. Because you guys are hyping it up like it's some great video. So if I watch it and I'm like, dude, why are these guys telling me to watch this video and it's not good? It's not good. Your mom has a beard? You know what, Steven? You don't have a beard. All right? That was the best comeback I could come up with. I don't really either. Thinking about, no, I'm actually not thinking about that. I was going to say, I'm thinking about just going just straight mustache, but I'm not going to do that. That was totally a joke. I would never do that. Imagine just me having a straight mustache, nothing else. Do you guys think I should go no beard? You guys think I should shave the beard just to see what I actually look like? It won't be pretty. It won't be pretty, man. Just it won't be pretty. I'm gonna keep it like this. Happy birthday, Jordan. Thank you. Appreciate you. Appreciate the happy birthday wish, man. Appreciate it. The L market is here in full force. Worst would be just a goatee. Just the goatee, so the mustache and this. Yeah, probably. Beard, no mustache. No, dude, you gotta have the mustache. I feel like you gotta have the mustache. It's not the same without the mustache. You gotta have the mustache too, right? It's gotta be there. The no mustache, I can't agree with that. I can't agree. It's gotta be the whole package. It's gotta be the whole package. He looks scary. Dude with only a goatee, that's deal breaker. Only a goatee. You gotta have the mustache though. Savvy said happy birthday too. Thank you, Robert. Hope Savvy's having a good day, man. I'm sure Savvy's having a good day. I'm sure Savvy. I think actually Savvy's been getting a lot of sources lately. Let's go see what I think I hear Savvy outside. I think I hear him outside. Going on, guys? It's Savvy. That was the new Elliot. That was the Elliot wave dance. That was the Elliot wave dance. I'm busy getting my sources. I'm busy getting my sources for tomorrow's video on which Elliot wave theory will be in. I get my sources from Ken, my good friend Ken. He's not home right now, but I thought I'd come visit to him. I'm kind of throwing a party in his lawn here. But yeah, that's I just wanted to tell you I'm over here getting some sources. So. Hope you guys are having a good day. I'm going to continue my party, and I'll catch you guys later. See ya.
Let's jump into the Bitcoin show.
Now we can just hear it in the background.
Savage going nuts. All right, man. Come on, Bitcoin. Do something. Do something, bro. Elliott Wave 5 up. Yeah. Jordan turned 14 today. Don't get me started. Don't be like Didi, okay? Don't be like Didi. How old are you? How old are you? Friggin' Didi. Hopefully one day she comes back. Hopefully one day Didi comes back. I miss Didi. I miss Didi. She asked me how old I was. Because I was being Jabba, I think. Or I was being Bob, I think. And she asked me how old I was. Listen. How old are you? How old are you, Didi? How old are you to have your name as Didi? Because we all know Didi's not your real name. So for someone to call you Didi, anyone that has their nickname as Didi, it's already skeptical. All right, Didi? If your nickname's skeptical, that's a huge red flag. Okay? I would never go near a Didi with a 10-foot pole. If I met some chick with the name Didi, I wouldn't touch that with a 10-foot pole. You know that stuff got some. You know that's got some issues with it. I'm not going near a Didi. Screw that. You know there's some issues going down there. How old are you? Bless your heart. Tinfoil hat, BitBoy. Income actually from Wales, paying him to misinform. Yep, pretty much. 45? Yeah, I am 45. I am. Or doo-doo. DD from the Bitcoin family. All right, man. All right. Well, now we wait. Now we wait. We're still waiting for... I'm looking at the whole like top 20 list. I mean, there's not really much going on in the crypto land at the moment, guys. What is there stuff going on in crypto land at the moment? It's usually never. It's usually never. DD Pickles. There you go. It's another option there. Enoch said, yes, sir. Her name was Deanna, but was called Didi. Cutie, but no. No, stay away from Didi. Stay away from Didi. Do not go near Didi. I'd rather date, I don't know. Guys, give me another name that you would stay away from. Give me, like, for all the guys in the chat. The girls in the chat can do this too. Give me a name of the opposite gender that if you heard this name, you would stay away from them, right? It can be a nickname, it could be a name, but it instantly throws up a red flag if you hear this name. Let me know in the chat. Give me some names. Give me some names. That's a good question. Give me some red flag names. Gertrude, Karen. Yeah, Karen. 100% Karen. 100% Karen. Joe. I feel like Joes are kind of normal. Jordan. All right, man. Jess. A lot of people saying Karen. Nancy. Tracy. Dorothy. Bubba. Davey said Bubba. Tyrone. That's not true. That's not true. The chicks love Tyrone. The chicks love Tyrone. So that's not true at all. You're not going to be staying away from Tyrone. I'll tell you that. You're going to be all over Tyrone. All the names starting with a J. Might be actually valid. Might be valid. Chad. That's not true too. You're running after Chad too. Don't be lying. Don't be ladies. Don't be lying in the chat. Chad and Tyrone. You are all over Chad and Tyrone. This dude's a cornball. You're a cornball, man. You're a cornball. Kiki? Who said Keith? Denise said I would do a Chad. I would do a Tyrone over a Chad. All right, I see the way you roll, Denise. Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that. Everyone's got their how should I word this? Everyone's got their choices or their preferences. What's up, JP? We're going deep into this. Oh man. Big Daddy. Job of the short. All right. That was a pretty good question while it lasted. That was a pretty good question while it lasted, I think. Still. All right. All right, guys. I mean, what else have we got here? That's really it. There's really nothing going on tonight, guys. I don't want to cut the stream short, but it's like, dude, it's like, I mean, we could sit here and we can talk about random stuff, which I'm fine with doing, but I feel like sometimes you guys get bored of talking about random stuff. You know what I mean? And as much fun as looking at altcoins that are down like 40%, 50%, that's not very fun. That's not very fun. All the charts look the same for the most part. There's a few that don't look too bad, like Matic. Matic doesn't look too bad. Not too shabby on Matic. V-Chain looks brutal. Theta looks brutal. AVAX looks kind of brutal. Sol actually doesn't look too bad. As long as it continues to hold this 188 mark, Sol doesn't look too bad. Doge looks brutal. BNB is actually holding up pretty well. BNB holding these previous highs. Cool. Awesome. Holding the previous highs. As long as you continue to do that, all is good. The reason why I don't really want to talk about like altcoins is because Bitcoin could come and ruin the day, or Bitcoin could come in and save the day. You know, it's one of those things. It's being a realist. Being a realist. Can we just jam out the pump music? We could do that too. We could do that too. Gotta go hang out with Jazz? No. Jazz doesn't want to hang out with me anymore. Dad doesn't want to hang out with me anymore. We won't go into that. There would be no major pumps till Monday. Reverse FUD to pump price. Probably. Hold this. I mean, if the stock market pumps on Monday, we'll be. I mean, just like we said this week. I mean, we'll be off to the races. This week started off pretty good, and then it ended pretty bad. For the most part, you know. $150 more likes to 1,000. Let's hit 1,000 likes, guys. Let's hit 1,000 freaking likes. If we can hit 1,000 likes right now, I'll well, I'm not gonna promise anything, but let's hit 1,000 likes right now. Boom shakalaka. Plan B is dead. I think Plan B's dead. Plan C's dead. Plan D's dead. I think we're on Plan E. I think we're on Plan E at this point, to be honest. I think all the plans are dead. Right? We got no plans. No plans left. Did she show you her pep? TJ. That's funny, bro. That's funny, man. Jordan got weird. Hey, listen. I do me. Someone doesn't like it, you know. I'll give you two things. If someone doesn't like something I'm doing, here's the two things I'll give you. Okay? Deuces. Sir, dude. Is it cool if Jabba and Bob watch? That's true. That's very true. Is it cool if Bob and Jabba watch? Bro. That's brutal. That's brutal. Imagine. Sir, dude, you open this can of worms, bro. Sir, dude, I blame this on you. I blame this on you. This is gonna get really bad. Okay, we're gonna do it.
Holy crap! Holy crap! This is awesome! Come on! You can do better than that! Come on! Come on! Alright. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. Sir, dude, that you set me up, man. You set me up for that one. I had to do it. I had to do it. I had to do it. Alright. Oh, alright. Alright. Don't feel I said plan B was going to romance. You get
I believe in the end.
I'm crying right now. All right. I believe we will end week with another highway. With another highway? Maybe. Maybe. Who knows, man? I mean, who knows at this point? We gonna do Java on Georgia stream? No. I don't know if Georgia want me to do that. I don't know if Georgia want me to do that. That's strictly here. I would love to do Java or Bob on Around the Blockchain, though. I would love that. I would love that. What happened to my fiat? You probably bought crypto, Infinity. I have no idea. I have no idea. I need someone to drink this. Star-Lord, where are you at tonight? Star-Lord, where are you at tonight? I'm going out with some other people tonight. Where are you in Boston? Let me know where you're at in Boston. Maybe you're somewhere close, dude. It should be a Java around the blockchain. People who buy Bitcoin also. God, I can't say some of the stuff you guys are saying in the chat, man. Can you do a BitBoy while he's on BitBoy show? Yeah. I mean, whatever I do, I'm instantly gonna get kicked off. So it's gonna be worth it, you know. All right, guys. All right, guys. It's been real. It's been real. I'm getting off. I'm getting off because I feel like I'm watching paint dry. Honestly, I honestly feel like I'm sitting here watching paint dry, and I don't want to make you guys sit here and watch paint dry too. It's pretty brutal. You know, we've really been watching paint dry the whole stream here, and I don't think that's healthy to watch paint dry. So it's probably not good for your eyes. It's probably not good for really anything. So I'm gonna get off. Star-Lord said I'm close. Trust me. Oh jeez, that sounds really creepy, man. Anyways, I'm gonna get off. Enjoy my night. Make sure you guys enjoy your Saturday night, guys. Whatever happens. I don't know what's gonna happen. I don't know if Bitcoin's gonna dump again. I don't know if Bitcoin's gonna retrace. I don't know if anyone truly knows what's going down right now. I don't know if anyone truly knows. Just being honest. Let's do some komasa. Let's do some komasa. Let's chill. Okay? Let's chill. Let's not flip out. Let's wait to see what happens tomorrow, Monday. Let's wait to see what happens. I'll catch you guys later. Make sure you guys hit up that like button before you go. Let's get up over 1,000 likes. And as always, go check out everything in the description, guys. Go follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And use my Bybit link down below. Don't use Carl's. Don't use Carl's. Use mine. All right? Links in the description down below if you want to do some trading. All right? Catch you guys later. Peace.